Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2015 Chevy Colorado Z71 Crew Cab 4x4. 95,000 miles, clear Carfax. Carfax has two owners, but it's a one owner. It's just the dealer taking title for the second owner. It's black with the black cloth leatherette interior. Both those seats are heated, both of them are powered. Factory Bose audio, remote start, factory navigation, all the phone hookups, steering wheel controls, all the goods. Sliding rear window, spray and bed liner, Z71 package, black on black. Carfax is clear. We're going to buy you 12 months, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. Oil's just been changed. You're ready to hit the road. You can see this truck as well as get applied for credit at AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees. Nice truck.